Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Palette Life, and this is Suma Babu. Festive season starts in throughout India, so all may be busy with the preparations. So wish you a very happy Onam in advance. Coming back to our topic today, those who are seeing this channel for the first time, we are doing a series of videos only to learn the facial features separately. We have made a video on eyes, nose and lips. We have covered these three topics. We have made it as a three separate video. Those who are interested, they can go and check that videos too. So the main intention of making such video is that to ease the difficulties while making a portrait. So these all videos you have to see it properly and understand the concept and practice it thoroughly. Like you can practice individual, for example, eyes so many times, like in different angle. So that is going to help you in portrait making. Same with other features too. So you have to understand how we can draw or simplify them. And you can find your own method of making them after practicing so many times. So that is the key role of practice. So practice them thoroughly before doing any portrait. So today we are going to learn how to draw and render an ear. So normally what we do is like for a straight faced portrait, no need to worry much. Because we won't be able to see the full features or the shape and the details of the ears while facing straight. Because we can see only this part, we can make a few lines, one or two lines to make an ear. But one important thing you should notice is ears falls in the mid portion of the face. If you are dividing your head, this portion into three like equal parts, the ear will fit in the center part. So that much you should be aware of, so that you can avoid the mistake of making it too low and too high. Okay, one thing. And the second thing, the second measuring point is it will come in the alignment of your eyebrow. Like if you are taking a line, the eyebrow line, the starting of the ears will be touching that line. Okay, this the top portion. Okay, then this will be, you can measure yours, like where it falls, it's over the lips. So that should be the proper the measurement. Some people have little slightly big ears, or some may have the earlobe will be small, so that they can, like the shape may be different, so it looks small, but that is the placement will be in the same place. So that is the common measurement you should notice. So now you know where to fix the ears. Okay, so for the straight face, as I said, few lines, need not to worry. And for the side face, you have to study in detail. So normally what happens is, when I started painting, it was like I was totally confused how to start and where to end. And now I am confident, or I find a way to simplify the shapes. So that trick is going to share with you. Normally how we start drawing an ear, like we'll make the outer line, right? As like almost all maybe starting that way only. So this part, the first starting is correct then. Okay, you have to find this shape first, so that the length and where to start, and as per I said, like from the eyebrow level till the mouth level, you have to fix this shape. Okay, then after that it is a kind of question mark, right? Okay, that is the basic shape of an ear. And the second thing you should concentrate is the shape in next to this line. Like if you really notice, you'll get a Y shape. That is what artists say while making an anatomy study. Like you will find a Y shape here, this line, where we means like our ear get highlights. So that is of Y shape. It falls like this. Okay, that is the basic shape. Next basic shape you have to notice. And the third thing is this part. Can you see this small outer protruded portion? Okay, this. If you are fixing these three shapes, you are into the track. Now one more thing you should take care of is that while making a drawing of an ear in a portrait, like if you are doing a separate practice, this you need not to worry much, but while making in a portrait, always remember the shape of the whole shape of the ear is a tilted shape. It is not straight. Like if you are keeping our finger here, you will get a shape like this. It is not exactly from top to end, it is not the same shape. Okay, little tilted. You should notice that too. So which gives a natural look for the ear in a portrait. So now next comes, there are portions in an ear which gives us a feeling of that hole. Like there is the ear hole, right? So which gives a feeling of depth. So for while rendering, we have to use, as you know, you have to use the darkest tone there, and slightly you have to change the tonal variation when we are coming out. And of course you have to add the midtones and highlights later. So these are the tips you should remember while drawing or rendering an ear. So if you really concentrate on these few things, you can able to make an convincing ear. Now we'll see a demo painting to understand the concept better, which I have shared through this video. So let's get started. Hope you like the video. If you have any queries, you can ask through the comment section. I'll be responding it soon. So hope you like this series of our facial features study. So wishing you a very good practice time. So practice them individually many a times in different angles. So the drawing part and the rendering part has to come nicely. Then you start with the portrait painting. So that's all for today. See you soon with yet another interesting video. I don't know, I have not decided the topic yet. Let me think and enjoy your festival season. So happy Onam once again and see you soon. Take care. Bye. Happy painting.